Do you know the proper steps to take after a flood to prevent mold damage? First, remove water ASAP, preferably with a wet-dry vacuum. Next, speed up the drying process by using fans and humidifiers. Then steam the carpets and floors and sanitize anything damaged from the floodwater. Lastly, when cleanup is complete, call the pros at ASAP Environmental Incorporated for a mold inspection. Our mold specialists will conduct an analysis of the air and surfaces in your home to determine if mold is present.